Prime Minister Narendra Modi today held talks with Brunei's Sultan Haji Hassan Al Bolkiah at Bandar Seri Begawan. Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar today administered oath to newly elected members of Rajya Sabha at the Parliament House. India will hold the second edition of the International Conference on Green Hydrogen from 11th to 13th September in New Delhi. The President, Vice President and Prime Minister have congratulated Sharad Kumar, Mariyappan Thangavelu, Ajit Singh and Sundar Singh on winning medals at the Paris Paralympics. The World Bank has said that India's medium-term outlook is expected to remain positive amid challenging external conditions.